5 Mile.
The very first topic of this chapter is ideology, sources of ideology, and then significance of ideology. The lesson objectives include students will be able to know the definitions of ideology, sources of ideology, and its significance. Here is a picture of partition, people migrating from India towards Pakistan. You all know that Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947 after great struggles and sacrifices. The basis of ideology of Pakistan is Islam. Pakistan is the first country that got independence on the name of a religion. Islamic system is based on Holy Quran, Sunnah and Ahadith. The word ideology means an idea, beliefs, principles or plan. The Urdu word for ideology is nazariya. Ideology means a plan or program that is based upon philosophy and applications to solve political, social, cultural issues and problems. There are two particular definitions for ideology. World Encyclopedia says ideology is set of political, cultural principles on which a nation or civilization is based, whereas in words of George Brass, any plan or program of common life based upon thinking and philosophy is called ideology. Now, the question arises over here that from where this ideology is originated. There are 5 sources of ideology. These sources include common religion, common race, common language and residency, common political purposes and common customs. The next thing that we are going to know is the significance of this ideology. Ideology gives a purpose to human life. It creates consciousness. It becomes the foundation for success. It provides an access to disciplinize our lives. It makes us more dynamic towards life. Now, I suggest you to read textbook page number 1 to 3 to understand the topics in detail. Please do look into the examples given in the particular topic. Hope you have understood it well. Here's a recap of what we have learned today. Ideology gives a direction to achieve desired goals. Ideology is originated from different sources. Its significance can't be ignored as it's a philosophy that keeps everyone to stand firm and united. I hope that you have understood the topic. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay home. Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.